Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus Ace 5 and let me share with you how to change the 3-button navigation into the gestures in this device. Of course I've got gestures currently, but I will show you how to get into specific sections. So we have to open the settings. Here in this list we have to scroll down to the very bottom and find System and Update, and then tap on System Navigation. And of course I've got the gestures, but if you've got the buttons, you will also have the options to customize them, so you can reorder the back button and the resets, so it's totally up to you. And to set the gestures, simply tap on this animation. Your device will ask you if you want to use the gestures, if you want to learn how to use the gestures, so you can go through the tutorial, and it's totally up to you. I don't want to. So here you can hide the gesture bar, you can show this line or not, and customize the gestures here, so it's totally up to you. And in order to use the gestures, they are really simple to use, just have to learn. So in order to get back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, you have to swipe your finger from the side to the center of your device, just like that. If you can see this arrow, you can release the finger, and the same situation from the left side. If you'd like to get back directly to the home page, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device, and make sure that this motion is quick and short, like that. And if you want to open the recents, repeat the gesture, however elongate it, and hold your finger somewhere here, like that. And after releasing, you can see the recents. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.